Hello students, today we are going to start subject maths standard 7th chapter number 4 practice set 17. Question number 1, write the measure of the supplements of the angle given below. That means you have to find supplement angle. In previous practice set we have studied the complementary angle. What is complementary, students? The sum of two angle that will give you 90 degree, that is complement. Now in this we are having supplementary. So what is supplementary? The sum of two angle that will give you 180 degree, that is supplementary angle. Students, this angle is also called as linear angle because 180 degree is there, that's why. So now your first 15 degree, same way we will do. Let the measure of supplementary angle of 15 degree be x, and 15 plus x is equal to 180 degree. We don't know the value of x, so x is equal to 180 minus 15, sorry. So x is equal to 180 minus 15, this will give you 165 degree. Therefore the supplementary angle of 15 degree is 165 degree. Like this you have to solve first sum, and similarly second sum you try at home, students, and third one also, because third one is also 120. Next is 37 degree, fifth is 108 degree. Okay, I will show you 0 degree. Let the measure of the supplementary angle of 0 degree be x. So here same way the number is there, we will write 0 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Just you have to remember that the first angle will be plus to the another angle is equal to 180. Then you will be not confused. So x is equal to 180 minus x. X is equal to 180 minus 0. This will give you 180. Like that you have to write, and therefore you have to write the supplementary angle of 0 degree is 180 degree. Like this. Now similarly a you have to try. Let the measure of the supplementary angle of a degree be x. A plus x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 minus a. So therefore the supplementary angle of a is 180 minus a. Question number 2. The measure of the some angles are given below. That means the angle is given to you. Use them to make the pair of complementary and supplementary angle. That means you have to make the pair of complementary also and supplementary also with the help of using these angles. So your measure angle B is 60 degree, like that the angle value is given to you and you have to find the pair of it. So the pair of complementary angle, students, you know that is 90 degree. The sum of two angle that will give you 90 degree, that is complementary, and the sum of two angle that will give you 180 degree, that is supplementary angle. So here I have taken measure angle B is equal to 60 degree plus measure angle N is equal to 30 degree. So this 60 plus 30, that will give you 90. So this will come in complementary angle. So that's why I have written here angle B and angle N are the pair of complementary angle. Same way of supplementary also. Here I have chosen 60 degree plus angle G, that is 120. This 60 plus 120, this that will give you 180 degree. So I have written in supplementary angle B and angle G are the pair of supplementary angle. Like this you have to do the second one also of complement and supplement. Now question number 3. In triangle XYZ, angle Y is equal to 90 degree. What kind of pair do X and angle Y make? That means they have given you the value of Y only, and X and Z you have to find, and you have to say that which pair they make. They make supplementary or complementary. So the statement we will write, the sum of the measure of the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Yes, right, students. In first only I told you the triangle, the three side that will give you 180 degree. So you can write like this, the sum of the measure of angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180. So we don't know the value of x, so angle x as it is. Angle y we know, that is angle 90 degree, plus x we know, so sorry, z we don't know, so angle z, don't write here angle, is equal to 180 degree, like this. Now we don't know angle x and angle z, so as it is I have written here is equal to 180 minus 90, I bring down. Now this angle x plus angle z is equal to 180 minus 90, this will give you 90 degree. So therefore angle x and angle z are complements of each other. 90 degree they have given, so they are complement of each other. Like this you have to solve question number 3. Now look to question number 4. The difference between the measure of the two angle of a complement pair is 40 degree. Find the measure of the two angle. That means they have given you the two angle pair. That means here they have told the two angle pair 90 degree. That means 40 x plus 40 you can write like that. So students, I have written here, let the measure of the smaller angle of a complement pair be x. One angle I have taken x smallest, and the greater I have taken x plus 40. So what you will do? You will do x plus 40. Same way. The sum of the measure of two angle, complementary angle is 90 degree, as you know. So this x plus 40 is equal to 90 degree, because complement we are talking about. So x plus, I will take out this bracket, so x plus 40 is equal to 90 degree. So here 2x is there, so I have written here 2x is equal to 90 minus 40. 2x is equal to 90 minus 40, 50. So x take out outside, 50 upon 2. In 2 table 50 come, how much are 25s are, so x is equal to 25. Now you have to find x plus 40. So now you know the value of x, that is 25. So 25 plus 40, this will give you 65. So therefore you have to write the measure of the required angle are 25 and 65 respectively. This 25 and this 65, like this you have to write, students. So now we will shift to question number 5. Triangle PTNM is a triangle. Here they have given you the triangle. Write the name of the pair of the supplementary angle. That means you have to find the pair of supplementary angle. Student, this angle is of 90 degree, right? This two angle 90 degree, and this is also 90 degree. This will also 90 degree, and this will also 90 degree. Here I have drawn it, see. So that means the plus 90 plus 90, that will give you 180 degree, students. 180 degree means what is this? Supplementary. So I have written here, each angle of rectangle of a measure 90 degree, the sum of the measure of the supplementary angle is 180 degree. So the pair of supplementary angle P plus angle T, that is supplementary, students. I told you 90 plus 90, 180. That's why I have written like this. Same angle T plus angle N, 180 degree here. Angle N plus angle M, 180 degree. Same angle M plus angle P, 180 degree. Angle P angle T, 180 degree. Like that you have to solve it. No, this we have already finished here. So we can take angle P angle N here. This is also 180 degree, and this angle T and angle M 180 degree. Like this you have to solve question number 5. Now see question number 6. If measure angle A is equal to 70 degree, what is the measure of the supplements of the complements of angle A? That means you have to find supplement angle also and complement angle also, and they have given you just measure angle A is equal to 70 degree. So what I will do, first we find the complement of angle A. So measure angle A is equal to 70 degree. Same way you will solve it with complementary first. Let the measure of complementary angle of 70 degree be x. So I have taken here 70 plus x is equal to 90 degree. We don't know the value of x, so x outside is equal to 90 minus 70. X is equal to 20. Now we have to find the supplementary angle of 20 degree. So that means we get 20 degree of complement. So same way we will do supplement also. Like, let the measure of the supplementary angle of 20 degree be y, because x we have taken in complementary, so that's why I have taken y. So I will take 20 here. 20 plus y is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 minus 20. This will give you x is equal to 160 degree. So you will write here, therefore the measure of the supplementary angle is 160 degree, or therefore you can write the measure of the required angle is 160 degree. Now see question number 7. Angle A and angle B are complement of each other. If measure angle B is equal to x plus 20, then find measure angle A. Now in this angle A and angle B, only B is given to you and you have to find angle A. Okay, with supplementary. So same way we will do here. The sum of the measure of supplementary angle is 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. We don't know the value of angle A, so as it is I have written, plus we know the value of B, so x plus 20 is equal to 180 degree. Now measure angle A is equal to 180 degree minus, why minus, I have changed the sign, so this sign also I will change. This will become x minus 20 like this. Now this again measure angle A is equal to 180 minus 20. Why minus 20? Because your plus minus will become minus. So 180 minus 20, this will give you 160 degree minus x as it is. Now measure angle A is equal to 160 degree minus x. Like this you have to solve question number 7. So thank you students. In the next video I will show you the next practice set.